Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to make a feed on Bluesky. So let's get started. So first of all, you open up the link right there, skyfeed.app, and after that you type in bluesky.social, and in here you type in your username. If you do not have the app password, you're just gonna press on here, and after that you're gonna press on add app password, and in here you just have to type in the password that you want, but you don't have to allow this access. So you're just gonna ignore it, and then you press on next. After that you copy the password right here, press on continue, and after that you'll have it right here. And basically what you need to do is press on feed builder, and from here you can press on create your feed, and in here basically you have all the settings that you want, from the feed name that you want, and also from the input if you wanted to make it a single user or tags, and also if you wanted to remove some stuff. And basically after finishing up with the final touches, you can basically press on publish feed, and in here if you wanted to add an image, you can add an image, and then you put in the description that you want. And also if you want to give license for other people to use the feed for themselves, that would be your choice. And after that you're just gonna press on publish. So yeah, that was the video for today. Pretty simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.